Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to stop Do Not Disturb from turning on automatically. So first of all, you have to open up your iPhone settings. In your settings, you have to scroll down and click on Focus. In Focus, click on Do Not Disturb. Now over here, you have to scroll down until you see the Set as Schedule options. Now you have to click on Smart Activation. In Smart Activation, you have to make sure that your Smart Activation is turned off. After that, you have to go back and click on the timer that is right below Smart Activation. On the timer, you have to also make sure that your timer is turned off and it is not enabled, as enabling this can cause Do Not Disturb to turn on automatically. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.